Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you the latest update for 2024 on how to pay your Cepalco bill through Gcash. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Gcash app installed on your smartphone. Once you've opened the Gcash app, navigate to the Pay Bills option, located in the bottom menu. In the Pay Bills section, you'll see a list of billers available for payment. Scroll down until you find Cepalco or type it in the search bar. Tap on Cepalco to proceed with the payment. Next, you'll need to input your account details such as the contract number, the amount to be paid, and instead put your phone number, not your name. Make sure to double-check the information to avoid any errors. Once you've entered the details, tap on Next to review your payment summary. If everything looks good, tap on Confirm to proceed with the payment. Depending on your Gcash security settings, you may need to authenticate the transaction using your PIN or biometrics. And that's it. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment to Cepalco was successful. And there you have it, folks. Paying your Cepalco bill through Gcash is quick, easy, and hassle-free.
There you go, Ka YouTuber. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel to stay updated for my latest video. Thank you for watching till the end.